They don't like to crawl.
At a time.
I am usually sure Ali. This first time you're seeing my face, hearing my voice. Subscribe to the channel. What is channel? Subscribe and join the fam. And for you, my loves, that you are returning, oh my goodness, welcome back. So I just want to do a quick sit down so that you can understand this vlog better. So yes, it's a vlog about Olumo Rock in Abeokuta, Ogun State. But I just wanted to provide a little bit of context to some of the things you would watch right now. So I've been there before, but I was still a baby when I went. So when I got the opportunity to go again, I ran. Now I got there and there were a lot of schools on excursion, right? So a lot of children, there were a lot of children were running up and down as up and down. When I arrived, there were children going and there were children coming. While I was there, children. While I was leaving, children. So in this vlog, you see students, you see kids all around, and I tried my best not to show their face. I tried because I don't want wala, honestly. So, but just so that you see them, and I made friends with some of the teachers. So on this trip or during this, what's it called now? During this activity that I went for, I made friends with some of the teachers. They were my partners with everything. We took pictures, we made videos and all of that. So that's the context I wanted to provide. I don't think there's any other thing I missed. Yeah. So enjoy the vlog. Bye. See, oh, there's a lift, but I doubt if the lift is working. So guess what? We are gonna leg it using the stairs. Road to losing how many kg? Whoever has not, yes, whoever has not done their workout, this done. Now let's go.
This place once in a year, and they allow people to go inside. They allow the sheep clothes and the paramount of Egbala. That's Alake. They use a big black cow for the sacrifice. We have 4 things in Egbala. We have Alake of Egbala, and that's the paramount of Egbala. Oshiri of Okione, Agrod Bagura, and Olomo Rock. All the 4 things we stay here. They'll be praying for the people that are climbing this rock, so they can not fall down. We do not record any bad casualties from this place. Also, some traditional believers, they came here for their request. Maybe they are looking for wealth, for child, or for money. After their prayers has been answered, They will bring their Thanksgiving. That's why you can see feathers at the front of the door with white clothes. And they refer this rock to Olumo Rock, meaning a deity you can pray to for wealth, for child, and for money. So you're not moving to the cave now where people of that life during the war. That's where Abeokuta derived his name out. Abeokuta means under the rock. So once again, you're welcome.
Thank you. Shubomi. What?
That's the name of the tree, Yoshi. You know that throw out your hand and close out the tree. Is it possible? No. I put down the car. Now, in the olden days, when they have a premature baby, and me, that's a baby that's not reached 9 months or 8 or 7 months. That is premature. So there's a way when you go normally give that baby to the big. And this one is the incubator in the olden days. Not they'll bring the baby here, they'll just bag the tree and they boil it. And then I use the water just to back for the child. But they make sure the water does not touch the egg because they start from the egg. Yeah. Because the water touch the baby's head and his head will become like an edge ball. It's not the fashion. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
You call it ball. So now as we're starting now, so I want everybody to check your people, whether everybody has a patient.
With your twins, please.
vibe with the influencer, my new friend.
I'll call you. Mr. Joshua.
Hi guys, it's Abiola and here we are.
Yusra.
So we're here at Olumo. It's on the camera.
Okay.
So
Can you see that?
see the views.
Views again.
The views. So now this is our final video in Olumo and
Bye. Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.
subscribe.